comes to mind when we think of money earning online? Smartphones, leisure games, and social media, to name a few things. However, in this generation, we are now able to make money using technology in very easy ways. It's incredible how this works. You simply complete the required tasks provided by the website in question, and you'll earn non-stop large sums of money online by cashing out the funds received. What's more, you can do it over and over again. Today, I'm going to introduce to you a website that can help you build an income stream. This website, together with my freebie tips and tactics, can enable you to earn respectable sums on a consistent basis. You only need to follow these simple 1, 2, and 3 steps, and don't worry, you won't have to spend money on these apps. You won't even need technical expertise, you won't need any social media followers or interactions, and you won't have to sell anything. To correctly set up this approach, you must watch every second of this video till the finish so that you will know the navigation tips and additional money-generating strategies to optimize your earning potential while doing little to no work. So stick with me until the end. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel! Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. To start things off, let's head over to Capterra.com. This website is where we are going to earn the big bucks. What we're going to do generally is write reviews for specific softwares in order for them to improve their newly made softwares. You should be able to see the homepage once you head over there. Over here, you will have hundreds if not thousands of software which you can review. And by the way, don't worry, you won't be needing specific technical skills in order to qualify and review for them. This platform basically makes it easy for developers to discover main issues of their creations through the help of Capterra. This platform offers services that can quickly and cheaply show what troubles or bugs need to be fixed. Before publishing their software again, we're going to make money by evaluating and testing out software. That's the game for this website, and don't worry, you don't need any technical skills to do this, so don't get discouraged. The main reason why we presented this website is because this is such an easy money-making opportunity. You just have to test out different softwares. To further verify that this website is legit, let's dive into the registration process. Furthermore, if you want to learn more of Capterra.com, you can just scroll down below and read the features. You can also click on the fact on its website banner. If you have more questions about the website, again, don't get flustered by the pressure of reviewing certain websites because I'll be giving you tips on how to create spills that will serve as your reviews. With that, you can just go ahead to the homepage of Cafeteria and click on Write a Review, which you will find here. Now click on that. You will then be redirected to this page right here, where you'll be able to search any product or any website that you want to review, or otherwise, down here, you'll see recommended softwares that we can review up front and direct. But to start things off, I'll give you my very first tip, and that is to focus on reviewing PowerPoint, because it's very easy to review. Just type in PowerPoint here and click on the search button. After searching, find the linked button named PowerPoint by Microsoft, and by clicking that, you will then be redirected to this page where you will get the opportunity to earn money by reviewing the specific software. And of course, before I forget, you can do this method with any device that you have. You may have a laptop or personal computer or a phone. It doesn't really matter. Regardless of where you are in the world, it wouldn't matter because this method will work for you for sure. Upon clicking, you will see the entire process or the flow of giving the review. When you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see that you're still at page number 1. As you can see here, in order to make money from this website, you'll have to finish all of the pages and steps in order to cash out instantly. So imagine if you can accomplish multiple reviews a day, you can potentially earn decent amounts. Sounds easy, right? Just make sure to read around the website so you'll be knowledgeable of the workarounds of the website and actually earn your desired pay. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. Now let's get back to the video. Now you're going back to page 1 or step 1. Just fill up all the needed information here to successfully register your review. Just provide them your first name, last name, email address, and for the job title, just put in freelancer. This is important because if you're not able to provide them with your job title, you are not going to be accepted on this website. Now for the organization name, just put in self-employed. For industry, just click the drop-down menu and select what field you're currently working in, or otherwise, if you have nothing to input, just select computer software. And this will add points to your review application since they will see that you are credible to review specific softwares. For company size, select myself only since you are self-employed. For this question, how long have you used the software? It is important that you select 6 to 12 months. This will show them that you have been using their product for about this number of months. Now we are done with step 1, or page number 1. We now proceed to the next part of the page, which is page 2 or step number 2. On this step, you will need to provide them your feedback in terms of giving them stars, equivalent to what you think the software deserves. This is a very simple step, and you will just need to click a few buttons by rating them with stars. To spark their interest, just put in 5 stars for all categories that they're going to show you. I bet they're going to love your review and pay you once they see it. But hold up, we're still not finished yet. We have a couple more things to do in order to accomplish this review. By the way, another bonus tip is if you see questions that are optional, please answer them. This will show the client that you are actually really interested in reviewing their software. Always remember to give up 10s and 5 stars. Remember that. Now that was step number 2. And going on to the last step, I would just like to say that out of all the steps, for me, this is the most important one. So don't ever skip this part. On this step, you'll have to write what you like the most about the software and what you least like about the software. And after these 2, you'll have to describe your overall experience with the software. Here's what we're going to do. Now let's go to google.com and search for pros of PowerPoint. From there, you can just find anything that you think is relevant and flashy. And with that sentence or paragraph, you can make money. You can just look for done-for-you reviews in Google and just copy them. If you find your preferred answer, just copy it to this box. Now for the cons, just search for it again. Cons of PowerPoint and do the same process, but find different opinions of other people that you think can be inputted in the review box. And last but not the least, search for Describe Your PowerPoint Experience on google.com. There, you'll find a lot of people expressing their views about their experience using the software. You will have a variety of answers, and by searching for it on Google, and what's great about searching for your answers on Google is actually you can do the reviews repeatedly because there are endless numbers of reviews just here on Google. Finally, on the last question, which is, did you switch from another product? Just click on No to show them that you've been loyal in using Microsoft PowerPoint all your life. To cap off your review, just click this button right here and click on Submit. Then boom, you are done with your review, and that is how you make money online using this website. Remember that you can maximize this by doing reviews for a number of softwares, and by using Google, you will have unlimited review entries. Overall, this is a great method that anyone can do. It's great for newbies, so hop on the online money-making train right now and try this new strategy. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.